Hey people, this video is about a visit from the West Coast Roller. Came up to visit at the river cabin and we did a few things for fun up there, had some excitement. Took him up for a drive through the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. So I hope you'll enjoy the video, and I will see you on the next video. I know I've been doing a lot of work videos lately, but I hope to be getting some travel videos out. I know some of you like travel videos, some of you like cooking videos with the Iron Truck Camper Chef, and some of you enjoy the how-to construction videos. So a little bit of everything for everybody. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. There you have Mount Adams. It's about coming up to 9 o'clock here now, but what a beautiful sight to be waking up to. So we look down the road this way. Nobody there. And we look down the road this way. Nobody there. Just the way I like it. Okay. Back to camp.
Get some footage going on here.
Okay, we are here in the Iron Truck Camper Chef Kitchen Stadium Studios, and we are about to introduce a new feature here called Iron Truck Camper Cafe. So let us begin our episode here, presenting our first customer with the menu for the day. Good morning, sir. Here is your menu. Do you see anything off of the menu you would like?
Oh, definitely the pancakes with blueberries and the sausage links. That's what I would like, sir. Okay,
we'll get that right up for you, sir.
Awesome.
Would you like any more coffee?
Oh yeah, bring some more coffee out, would you please?
Okay.
Black, nothing in it.
Okay. And so, as some of you may not realize yet, I don't know how that would be possible. Today's guest, first customer to Iron Truck Camper Cafe, is none other than the West Coast Roller himself, Dalton. Hey, Dalton.
What's happening, guys? How's everybody doing today?
So anyway, managed to get him to come out of the woodwork and make an appearance.
We're here at Trout Lake, and Jeff invited me up here, and it's beautiful up here.
Oh yeah,
amazing place. We got a creek outside here. I just pitched a tent last night, and I couldn't be happier. This is just a very pleasant place to spend the weekend in quiet. I've never been up here, but it is beautiful. If you ever get an opportunity, come up here to Trout Lake, Washington, Highway 141, all the way up from the Columbia Gorge, and take a drive up here. It's beautiful. Check it out. You may really like it up here.
Yeah, there's just the peekaboo view. Well, you can't even see Mount Adams out there's too many of those darn trees out here. So okay,
you got Mount Adams.
That's right.
Don't want to forget about Mount Adams.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't show up in the GoPro. See all those cattle out there in the field?
Yeah. Everybody's got the fifth wheel parked down there.
Oh yeah.
See that?
That's a big one. And this is the south-looking view of the valley. Way over there are the cattle. I decided to get out my Canon EOS 5D camera with a 70-200mm L-series f2.8 lens, my favorite. This is Mount Adams in the distance, and now we're looking down the valley at a herd of cattle in the field. That was 70mm, this is 200mm, quite an improvement over the GoPro. This is up at the Conboy National Wildlife Refuge, and we are looking out over the lake bed. This is a cabin that was built in the late 1800s. There's the old truck camper in the visitor area, and this is on the other side of the Conboy National Wildlife Refuge. This is a access area that I think is intended for hunters, and it's a very big bird hunting location. Now we're at Mosquito Lake, and this is a lake, it's got good fishing, but you have to have a boat, and you can have an electric motor on it, but no gas engines. Electric is okay, or road. So I'm just taking different pictures of it. It's got some dead trees at different focal lengths, and it's just a pretty place to be. We really enjoyed it and stuck there for a while, watched the fish. Now we are on Forest Road 24, one of the main roads, and we stopped at a gorgeous outlook of Mount Adams, and that was Dalton next to the camera. There is Mount Adams, and there is a picture of Dalton, a compressed image at 200mm. I'm about 200 feet away and taking his picture. I captioned that picture as Dalton or Bigfoot. 6'5" is what Dalton is. So this peak is a popular hike for locals. I do not remember the name of it, but it's that little peak to the right, and it just kind of sticks up out of nowhere, like it's a little lava dome or something. And this is typical of some of the brush on the ground. This is the greeter at the Cispus Creek campground. Okay, let's get back to the video. So the plan was to have a barbecue that night. I was making some honey mustard chicken and manning the barbecue, and then I remembered I had rice, and I looked up at the truck camper, and the interior of the truck camper was billowing in smoke. So I ran up there and pulled the pot off the stove and turned on the fantastic fan to clear the smoke out of there. But what a mess. Here I'm trying to make a nice, impressive dinner for West Coast Roller, and I'm making smoked charred rice for him instead of just arboreal rice, my favorite kind of rice. So anyway, dinner did turn out well. We had the chicken, hot dogs, and mixed vegetables. And Dalton says he is a believer in charcoal barbecues. It just puts in a better taste than propane. Okay, let's go on to the next part of the video. Well, that was pretty nasty. I was making dinner, manning the barbecue outside, and I forgot about the rice inside. I can't believe that. So I'm going to be scrubbing this pot for a while. Oh, and the smoke in the camper. I should have gotten the camera out to show that, but it was kind of an emergency, and I didn't think to do it. All I could think of was to get the pot of burning rice off the stove. Ah, what a dummy. Okay. That is one of the rare Iron Truck Camper Chef fails. Okay, so yes, I do have fresh ground coffee for guests, and this is what we are serving. So never let it be said that I do not have fresh ground coffee on hand. It's just I happen to prefer this stuff. So let's see here. How are we doing on our coffee? Oh, that's not going to be enough. I have 3 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons in there. And I only filled it up to here because I didn't want it overflowing here. So we are just about to have this one here boil. That's just a little additional water in that. And then we will give the fresh ground coffee to our special guest. So that's bubbling, boiling. That's hot enough. That's hot enough. All right, so we are just getting rocking and rolling up here. It is 7:36. That's a little earlier than I like to get up on a weekend, but that's all right. I'll live. Okay, let's get this out to our guest before they pass out from lack of coffee. All right, here we go. Ah. Good morning, sir.
All right.
I'm just following this cup of coffee here.
Wish I had a tripod. I would set my camera up. Oh my God.
Okay, I think you're full. I could take the
No,
dispenser.
it's not.
Oh, it's not.
It's not.
Okay. So how was last night? Did you stay warm enough?
Yeah, I stayed warm enough and no bugs.
Excellent. Excellent. Having.
This is roughing it, friends. This is roughing it.
Yeah, look at this. I mean,
This is roughing it.
look at this poor guy. He had to drive this terrible Dodge 3500 dually up here that used to carry a really nice truck camper, but is now used to pull a fifth wheel. And he has been reduced to tent camping, but who knows what the future will bring for the West Coast Roller. He has a big legacy to fulfill.
It's going to be a tent camper from now on.
Tent camp.
How about that? What do you guys think about that?
I don't know. I think you're going to bring some tears to a few people.
I'm only going to be going camping in July.
In July. And the reason?
This doesn't rain.
Oh, well, I don't know. What is it? It's about the 25th right now, isn't it? I think.
No rain. July is perfect conditions to tent camp in the Northwest.
Yeah. Well, Dalton's been seriously roughing it here. He's been camped next to the Little White Salmon River, and he's had to endure these blue skies and trees all around him, maybe a couple of mosquitoes. But yeah, we've had a lot of fun here. Okay. Hey, sir, I'm sorry, sir. You can't park here, sir.
You want me to park?
We want to park. We want to park over there in the pay lot. So, okay, we are just concluding a great weekend with the West Coast Roller coming up here, hanging out in the shadow of beautiful Mount Adams. There's my big truck camper there. There's the unknown mechanic in the silhouette mode. Yeah, cover my face. And so yeah, we had a great weekend here. Took Dalton for a tour of the Trout Lake area and all the mountains around here. Had a good time. Did some barbecuing. And Dalton says that I should give more FaceTime. I say that I have a face made for radio, but who am I to say? So, okay, Dalton.
All right, adios.
A COVID bump.
Boom.
Okay, you take care, Dalton.
All right. Okay, bye-bye.
Don't you can back right in there.
a long vehicle turnaround. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The West Coast Roller is leaving the premises. We had a great weekend. Looking forward to doing it again. Next time he'll bring up his mountain bike and we'll do some mountain biking. Of course, I have to buy a mountain bike too. The unknown mechanic is an avid mountain biker himself, so who knows what will happen. Healthy fun. And my truck is just filthy from driving those mountain roads and the dust and gravel. Okay, the fun's over. Dalton is on the road. I guess we're going to go back to nailing floors in now.